Keep one more match and say it go. Some of them will play with you know. Them only play with you because them want. That's why I play with you, you know. Oh. I can't send me request. Can't play with you know. Oh me? Can't play with you know. Sometimes I like play match because I love shot. Keep one match again. Don't shoot. Keep one match and see if you don't get back the same support. Life is about give and take. You can't shoot and expect back the same thing. I want me talk these things not for uno. When me talk these things not for uno I go vex, but me not really care. All I will go say me this and that oh Rosealee mean and this and that and that and that. Twist is a content creator. You're a shooter. When we click our live, we are content creator, we're not shooter. We only give back to support. So we're showing the world that we're not all for ourselves. That's why we keep badges. Well, all of us have badge. All of we, when they on TikTok and do live, have badge. All of we have badge. Not care how much a badge number is. Only thing some shoot more and some. Who can shoot more and some shoot? I'll me wanna live that shoot too, you know. Am I wrong? Cause that's a gifter. So how you gonna expect more than that? Make Destiny class me shall look good name. Me nah look none. If I am gonna give you something, you cannot expect but the same thing that you shoot on TikTok to the person. The person must give back a TikTok take off. So you have to make up back that money for send it out back. That's why I'm gonna do recycle. Me wait pan, me know what, me know all what they me keep my match. People me say get a type in a comment section. On a ranker there, me no want a ranker, yes so. Me was satisfied with the few look of people that come and put what them have. Come in now do no recycle. Anything at all when me keep anything when me get me satisfied. World Cup me jump up, me get something me satisfied. You hear me come and dwell upon who could have shoot. And if that person did there, and if that person what the fuck? Everybody not obligated for those shit. Nobody no hold no gun for those shit. Shooting is your choice. That's why you must do it for the love, not the likes. Someone to shoot for the likes. Cause you now come on a live with 3 and 4 and 5 come shoot. You don't like shooting a crowd. Cause you want to be the most MVP on the like when the name call up. Shoot for the love. So if you have 100 years, let's say about somebody who want interstellar, you like them. A long time I give Rosealee something like You shoot for the love, not the likes. Not for them. How much of them? And not for them are the problem. Not for them are the problem. When them shoot out, them a big 46 level gifter. Them stop shoot and start rank now. Yeah, when them shoot out, whole per millions in a kind. Them rush shooting on them start back, rank back. Where you gonna get back that from? Who gonna get back that? Cause I remember saying, no, if you come on my live and you build your name here, and me and you the live same time, the people in family has to go over your live, go shoot for you, what you can bring to the table as entertainment. What kind of entertainment, what kind of funniness you have? Are you pretty? Or you a big shooter? Tell me, come on, tell me, come on, dance. What kind of entertainment you can bring to the table? World Dog, Rosealee, anyone away? We entertain the most way. If I even bagger, because someone don't love bagger. Because every day TikTok I keep, we understand what kind of entertainment you can bring to the table, what kind of band you can bring to people. You don't understand. We as content creator, whatever the word is coming to really business, we sit here and we build fan base, we build supporter, we build a team. We build fan base, we build supporter, we build a team. We sit here for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and build a team. Sometime, the only time somebody shoot at them will go live and people go over there because they want to say who is that person. You never know. True. Sashiana! Sashiana, yeah, girl! Move it, Brianna, move it! One Sashiana! I'm gonna name a call upon the screen a card. When Sashiana go live, everybody wants to see who is that Sashiana. Them not going for show, them go for fast who you be. How you look like. How your background stay. I don't give a fuck about Destiny. My Destiny blood clot because I give a fuck about she. You can't give and expect back the same thing. Don't give. He came and he support you. That's the greatest thing. He came and he support you. You shouldn't even make that in an argument. Argument you look on the internet but you're drunk and whatever. You know exactly what you're doing. Him come and him support you. All you have to do, take it and you tell us that you're not selling nothing more. Simple. Because spill milk can't take up off a ground. Spill milk cannot take up half a ground. When the mirror broke, I wanna fix it, they still I got to cracking at the motherfucking reflection. Spill milk can't take off a blood clot ground. So if him said that, no word, me would argue, I wouldn't say shit, I'm under my rum. I would say, you know, say, I just say done with you, to see where you're depend, alright. But all what me I say is, you can't say and expect but the same thing. Word, sweet. Wait, no grab the word. Perry send World Dog 20 Lion. And the next day, Perry get back to. So some of the work out that show me cause may I beg, we can't bother. May I beg some of the good, clean-hearted people in me so. How much Lion Perry send? How much him get back? Up until now. So what the fuck someone I say? You can't shoot for me, I expect. So you know, you shoot so much you know your motive. You shoot so much you know your motive. Is that you want a crowd or you want a hype? You shoot so much you know your motive. I always tell yourself, say he's a shooter and not a ranker. So if you keep one official man, come back, come support you. The Destiny over there, blood clot, I go teen shoot if she watch, never go, they go flood the scene. They just don't have nothing to say. And them like the truth. Tina is gonna go flood your scene. When you never go over there, go flood it. She same and say, trust no one, never go live it, and trust no one is a 40 give level batch, a 40 level batch gifter. She for real trust no one, cause trust no one now go live, and trust no one now to this, and trust no one now to that. But no don't like it the truth. I don't care what you want from Rosealee. Anything where you say you can't get it back, cause the app take off. Everything is final. Me not go down on more story. You not come for cause a soul. But as I say, anything where you say you can't get it back, cause the app take off. The app take off. So if you are going to send me a line for $200, me get $100. Just tell yourself, say, you bless me up today. Just tell yourself, say, you know, one spot, you help me. Not tell yourself, say, oh, me, I look back this, you know. Sooner or later, I have to get back this. Someone will tell themselves that, do no, me see all one snipe, she come out at chart down, how much money she spend on TikTok. This is because I don't look at she. Because I come see her shoot. Remember one blood clot, they made the writer, so you're there for my life all long. You're in this, you're in that, you chat. And as blood clot, Me just start him like the governor got so much in lion. I want to don't shoot and reach a batch of where you don't want to reach. You don't come and say, TikTok mash up on the life, TikTok mash up on the whole soul, TikTok mash up on the financial, physically and mentally. But all along on that shoot, you could have find it for shoot. But right now, TikTok mash up somewhere. I don't know which part. Then she come out now, I label down now, you know. She label down how much she spent because she can't go further. Then I say she do live. I play a match. Somehow no man. Whoa, hey, somehow no mad, you know. Me gonna not slow up my life with 3 smaddy. And 12 and 16. I'm gonna get out of that. If a person shoot your line, if a person shoot your line or 2 or 3, them I can expect if you come back, come send it, you know, and you gift that. Them only are sending for boost if you come back, come shoot for them. That is the boots. Anyway, I want to deliver message. Oh, understand. I'll check and try to come with this strategy too. A long time in the year shot fire about she. Guys, we're gonna one wheel. I beg someone to take a gift, I can't bother. I beg someone to crowd. A long time in the year fat shot fire about she. And she come here with the same motive. Where she sent, she expect of it can't work, so the app take off. Shoot generous, shoot for love. Shoot because you rate a person. Shoot because you like that person there. Shoot because when you have a bad day, you can go on that person's life and sit down and enjoy them. Shoot for that. Don't shoot to get it back. Of course, you still shoot over here, but she not gonna away. But the excitement, people let them stop, like them stop over there, so. Them could have never attack the screen, make them stay, make the crowd stay. You know busy what Destiny one blood clot say? No for the blood clot big badge people them now shoot power live when I have case. So you have your motive. That's why me sometimes look out for my people them come here so. Yeah. Me look up, me know them by name and nature. When me say Cynthia, she know a she. I want your name Alexia. Some of the big 40, but them now a crowd them shooting now. The big 40 the big batch people them. Appear them now shoot appear. Them not shoot unless them see K's. And for them stay so. And shoot big too. Cause them see the K's. Them now shoot when them not see the K. Cause when you shoot big, everybody want to know who you. Them not fool. A long time they about. And some never run down nothing. And when some of them with them big but I say me match me not play with them, me not play. With them post the clot. One go sit down and play with the crowd. No crowd are there. Me not play with them. No send me no match. Oh, I sit down and play with you. No, me not play no match, my love. Every time, no match. Come here, me a Gemini. No match. And now pick up for Rosealee. But I gotta pick the truth. Enough of them and she alone stay so. Enough of them now shoot until them say K. Enough of them now jump in live and say, you know me hate? A big batch coming in my life. All 2 weeks you troll me. You can't send a rose? They block you. Go sit down and where your money spend, go sit down there. Most of them, the one on them CEO, well, me black she. Trick and trendy, me that for black she. Yeah. 2 weeks, that is not rose. I'm going to say I chomp up all about. Come, miss. Oh, 2 weeks? Me no want a rose. One. Make it people them have them one money gun and then one and come here so. Me appreciate them. Me not run down nothing a long time in the boat. Me appreciate the people them with them one money gun and then one anat and then one wheel. And I can say at girl I can make one look at Stella she the whole world from the back road. And them say Rosealee want Stella seat here. Oh. Someone on the 40 bad left gift on the like shooting a blood clot cut and no one notify. We don't walk around and shoot under 500, under 400, and under blood clot 300. We don't shoot for the hype. Someone on start shoot because none of our upcoming match are come. Kiss, we got some kiss. Kiss. Kiss, me got something, me auntie. Me not busy enough just to one class. Me a blood clot. Me coming for beg. What is the class? Man, tell me say be a rubbish. I'm not live now. Someone come from a blood clot live, yeah, man. They tell me that far. The people that come over here about this because I'm not black. Them not tell me blood. Me not come about that. I'm done talk. I'm not gonna dwell upon this. Not tell me about nobody. Me them class me. A long time I make them class me. Make them class me. Make them class me. Me don't want nobody tell me nothing. Guys, me I beg. Hold on, let me start the journey, car. Someone are gonna really go on about this and go listen to Pok now. One, guys. Me want somebody come but 12 perfume, somebody come but 12 donut. Or someone go on, simple. Me not it. Me don't talk about the T-Nice and Rosealee now. Me not dwell upon people too long. Cause me can't bother. Yeah, make you class me. One T-Boss. T-Boss, light it up, T-Boss. Make you class me. Alright, T-Boss, I catch that agally. So somebody catch that perfume there. Make sure class me. Me I beg some more title gift if I go up in a ranking. Me not give a fuck about she. Me so if I come up because the World Cup soon start. Who want 6 confetti and 6 paper crane? Any hot girl willing to put 6 confetti, 6 paper crane, no hot girl now no post. No Stella. Me anti-vibes gone. Make sure class me. I beg. 6 paper crane. 6 confetti. Watch the girl when you're boring. The hot girl there. Whoa, you see how them me cute niece. Some niece that's enough for New York. You're in there, you're hot girl. Alright, we catch it. So chat now. We want somebody send 4 money gun. Make this thing class me. Them know them motive. She have to pick up for P-Nice because I'm like big gift. Me will satisfy with look a small one and I get from the good people them. Them I run down people, me not run behind people. Come my friends, family. Make them go and talk. Who want somebody send 4 money gun? We want somebody try to send 4 money gun. Want somebody send 4 money gun chat. Give me a look. I beg me come for beg. This them couldn't keep up my time today. We want somebody send 4 money gun. Want somebody send 3 chain. Come chat. The fabulous. We want to get a title gift at the money gun. Come on, chat. The fabulous. You have 2 more money gun at girl. Wanna come here, auntie. You have a catch a title gift for vibes. Vibes them can't have an argument with we. We not look on them. Want me nice clean auntie. The fabulous. We want one at girl with 5 cards, you know, who can catch a title gift. Watch the nice clean girl from well, I wouldn't tell her she come from Africa. You know, somebody feel like say you're leeching wife for true. Yeah. Nobody, guys, don't want. Hold on. 3 train. Manda, beg us something, Manda. Amanda Flawless. Me I beg one flash out bike. The girl with them Amanda Flawless, me I beg one bike. Ambitious over hype, what one? Can't see you. You dash me away. Ambitious beg something on my niece. Me say my moderator ambitious this year. Ambitious beg something. Nikki. Ambitious beg something. Me satisfied with the local people. Me can't bother with some of them. See vibes, she gonna recharge there. Guys who want the Tiger gifter. Amanda, me beg one local bike. 20 turtle feet. Turtle feet, Amanda. Fee Tiger gifter. Amanda. Come chat, man. We can make it by and by. Myself, so we want 3 train and 5 cargi. We have to take them row by row. Amanda, you can't put out 5 cargi. Any hot girl in the process of the 2.2K. Shoot for the love and not the likes. Shoot because you love me. We want somebody with 5 cargi. Want somebody with 3 train. Run the and then Amanda, I'm gonna plug in the charger. Me not gonna wait. Go on and come, galley. Come, go on and come, galley. Go on and come, me not going nowhere. Remember say the World Cup gonna start, so we gonna jump off. Me a beg something. Go on and come, Amanda. What this thing I got class? Me say, remember me not live now, we already. Me no want come tell me say nobody a class me. Make them class me. Yeah. So, make them class me. All them can't tell me say me not live no blood clot way. Yeah. That's all them can't tell me say me not live now when me a work on it. All them can't tell me say me not live now when me a work on it. Make them class me. All them can't tell me say me not live now and make them class me. Keisha beg something, Keisha. But them can't class me and tell me say me a beg because the whole way they are beg. Make them class me. Fuck them. Them couldn't bring me down, me used to it. Watch on this blood clot sucker. So much more want extension. What? Me don't know what time them a keep them at me a beg some World Cup. Ambitious. Make them class me. I'm not busy with them. Charger, you want a different charger, you know. Nobody now have no wheel. No wheel. It's fucking blood clots up me, you know. Keisha, I beg you one wheel, me auntie, if you have it. I beg you one wheel, Keisha. Guys who want 5, want somebody with 5 cargi. Alright, this said plug other part of the work. All them can't tell me so I don't live now. I never did hide that. Remember the whole of it come here big. Some don't know what them could have tell me say. They still never see my pussy yet. If sore night. Yeah, so make them